This is that shit that makes you shiny and glow. I'm writing my resignation letter. I'm on a little walk now. No idea how long it's gonna take, but I'm assuming like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm walking in the middle of the road, so I know it's such a beautiful day. Birdies. We're almost here now. It wasn't that bad of a walk, especially because I had you guys. You know, I'm risking my life to be here because it's like not just like a regular park that's like right beside a gas station. You're gonna have to drive far into the mountains to get here. That sounds really intense, but it's not. Let's just hope I can get back. Guys, so I'm here, I'm by myself. I'm being a little loner. Not gonna lie, it smells kind of bad here because it just smells super fishy. There's a bunch of like, I don't know, wildlife, I guess, like ocean life right below me. I have a great view though of the ocean. Is this the ocean? I don't even know. I guess I'll just stay here for now. I do have my floaty too, so I might just blow this up. Also, my stupid ass always forgets headphones, so I guess I can't listen to music or I have to listen to it out loud. We're almost there. Guys, we got a weak ass floaty, but it still works, I promise. This was a $2 floaty from Dollarama, so you know what? It's cheap, but it works. So you can definitely float on a budget. I can show you where my bikini is from. So bikini from Shein, it's pretty good. The only thing I'm worried about are the tan lines I'm gonna get with this top. And then shorts are Levi Vintage. And tank top is a white tank top from H&M, so you don't really care about that. Should I do a little what's in my purse with you guys? I mean, I have nothing better to do, so got a camera case, camera, tripod. Tripod is Manfrotto. Got my phone with my little Shein case. I got this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist SPF 30. This is that shit that makes you shiny and glowy that JLo's makeup artist uses. And literally, that's the only reason I got it. Otherwise, I have sunscreen at home. Like, look at that. Okay. Next is my wallet. So my wallet's from Stella McCartney. I honestly had such like shitty cheap wallets for so long, but you know, like money is something I don't want to be scarce in my life. So I thought if you want to have a lot of money, then get a good wallet, you know, like don't just like treat your money like shit. And like all my wallets are like broken, like money would fall out and stuff. So I was like, I need something secure and that will hold everything. And I love the detailing on this, and it wasn't a bad price. It was like $250, but compared to like other designers, that's like pretty little. So yeah, Stella McCartney, and this is how it looks on the inside. So it has some card holders here, a change pouch, which I really appreciate. A lot of them didn't have that card holder again, and then like some other secret card holders, and then something for cash. Anyways, that's my wallet. Okay, I got this clip. This one's from AliExpress. It was like literally $1, and I love them. I got a bunch, and I think it's so worth it. So definitely shop on AliExpress or Shein, basically from the same place. I got a little white scrunchie. It's like a fake self one from Shein, and it's pretty shitty quality, but it works. Again, glasses from AliExpress. This is what they look like. Maybe I should wear them, but this is the vibe. What else? Car keys. I drive a Toyota, baby. Oh, lip injections by Too Faced. I have a bunch of these at home because I used to work for Too Faced as a brand rep, so we got these for free. Got some lash glue because I was at a shoot earlier. And then, guys, my holy grail lip product for every day It's milk and it's called Canatonic. I think it's the Kush lip balm. Yeah, and it's so nice. And my lips are really pale, so it really helps give them some color. And then yeah, just because I was at a shoot, I have a Morphe Coffee and Kissy lip liner. And then also my keys, my gym pass on it. Also I have this little handheld mirror my boyfriend got me. So yeah, and this is my sister's purse that I stole from her for a day. So, and it's really good because it fits my camera and my other stuff. Yeah, that's about it. That's what's in my bag. I think I'm gonna brainstorm some YouTube ideas because if I'm gonna be committed to this life, I need to be posting consistently every week and have a hell of a lot of ideas ready to go because I can't be lacking and like rushing the week of. Guys, I'm freaking back. It was so hot. I have like this much water that's 2 days old. See, I don't really care if it's old. I'm just gonna drink it. Okay, we have 16 kilometers to get home, so wish me freaking luck. We're just waiting for gas now. Can't wait to get home, to be honest. That hit.
Joy and pleasure to millions of music lovers.
It's the night before my first YouTube video, and I'm so tired. But I feel like I have so much to do still. I feel like maybe if I put these glasses on, I'll be more aware. my nails. They've just grown out too much, and since I quit my job, I can't really afford to be getting extra nails right now. So I'm taking them off myself instead of going to the salon to do it. First, I filed them down so they're kind of thinner. And then I'm going to put maximum strength acetone on little cotton balls. I'm just going to wrap my nail. Just like that. This is how we're looking right now. We're just letting it soak. Still have the whole other hand to go. I have a feeling I'm going to have to get back to work before I get to the other hand. I'm writing my resignation letter right now. It's kind of bittersweet because I did like who I worked with, but I'm also so excited. And that's an understatement. In exactly 2 weeks, I will be no longer employed and I will be completely self-employed. Usually people take these leaves after they've established something, but let's do it. Professional resignation letter. Yeah, so I didn't clean my room, but I will do it today, I promise. Time to work. Okay guys, I'm off work. I'm a mess. The whole house is a mess. I'm gonna cut this guy, and then I don't have a car because my boyfriend took it, but first step I think is to fix whatever this situation is, and then I need to clean, but I also want to go thrifting, so I may or may not walk to Value Village because I haven't gone in a bit and I need to feed my addiction. The first step of this journey is fixing my hair. Maybe once I fix my hair, I can clean up the main common area of the house. Then I think I really should walk to Value Village because I haven't been to the gym in a while, and that can count as a workout, and I get to go thrifting. Hair is somewhat fixed, face is still the same, but I'm okay with that. It's fine, no one cares. It's like Christmas when you get to open a new dish sponge. You get to not get your hands all gross. That was a big freaking fall. But first things first, let's figure out how far Value Village is. So I'm just gonna pull up trusty Google Maps. 22-minute walk. Kind of far. Not gonna lie. Hi. Okay. So this is the Value Village fit, and I know I'm wearing workout clothes, but it's because you can't try things on in the fitting room of Value Village. So I need to wear something that like things can easily go over. But yeah, and we can kind of pretend we're doing a workout. So let's get walking. Like, am I gonna walk in silence? We are here. Finally. It was a nice walk. Forget that I'm a little scared to walk alone, but that's okay. We got here in one piece. This is one of my favorite sections. so sorry. I lied to you guys. But you know what? You know why I didn't clean? It's because of this goddamn TV show called Startup on Netflix. And it's literally, like, when I watch it, it takes over my whole night. I don't care what I had planned, what work I had to do, what I was completely dedicated to doing. Once I start, it's like me and my mom won't stop watching it till it's literally, we need to sleep. Like, there's no choice but to sleep. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. I'm so tired. I slept at like 3 and it's 7:30 right now. So, you guys are cooking. I'm trying to film the before parts of some TikToks. I can barely function We're done with the vaccination. We're just gonna go get some breakfast somewhere quick and then head over to Beach Island Manufacturers. Okay, we're at Denny's. What should I get? I'm going to get the Grand Slam, build your own. And then can I get 2 turkey bacon strips, 2 eggs over easy, 2 buttermilk pancakes, hash browns, and then I'm gonna add 2 slices of toast.
Look at this food.
2 grapes?
Oh, sorry, just the 1 grape.
1 grape? And the eggs, how do you like this?
But then he's by myself. Guys, my pancakes are still coming. I don't know how I'm gonna eat them. Bijan's crate looks fire though.
Come in.
The bad boys are here with the butter all around. Don't forget the one underneath. Oh shit, this is deep now. Sure you don't want any?
I'm a bite. Number we both want.
Do a little fit check for you guys. Pants are thrifted from Valley Village. Easy Quantums. Shirt is from Zara. Bag is from AliExpress. Necklace is from Shein. Hello. We are home now. We tried to take some pictures. Now we're just gonna eat something and then I'm gonna get to editing because honestly I have no idea what I'm gonna do for Sunday's video. Wish me luck because I'm going to need it.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you for the video.
And I got the...
So I just ate a fly.
No way.
It felt like crunch. Imagine his legs got stuck inside.
Ew.
So I found these jackets, which are really
Sing it.
Reason only time to tell.
I'm wondering
What kind of shit you wanted?
Do you like the
Kind of things, or you a simple woman? But how did they put this much of the song in the video? I'm doing a lot of Ken Burns effect when it goes like, phew. Do you get like the editing lingo?